Today it's the 22nd of June 2021. 22. This is Kiltakuja. Gränden one stekis ei probably the only stekis in this residential building. I don't think there are any more here.
Yeah.
Because there's the stekis with only 2 floors. This was built in 1995 with 5 floors. Might be early 95 maybe.
Yeah.
And the number is B1 and A 1765. Turned 25 years old in 2020. So we started from the first floor now.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected this year in 2022. It's fast enough for 5 floors.
Yeah.
And this is even Espoon keskus. Espoo centrum. Espoo, Espoo Sports Region, modernized Finland.
They are using stairs.
No.
Yes, det var kiva, jos meitä Otis on no describe this.
Yeah. Very fresh.
Yeah.
Back to the first floor. The lights went off.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's